Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to create a stunning 3D presentation showcasing the layers of the Earth. Although I won't replicate the video preview exactly, I'll apply the same concepts to create something just as impressive. Let's get started. Step 1. Import a 3D model of the Earth. Open PowerPoint and navigate to the Insert tab. Click the drop-down menu for 3D models, then select Stock 3D Models. In the pop-up window, which appears on the right side of the screen, or as a modal window in older versions, search for Earth. Choose the most suitable Earth model, as I did, and click Insert. Once the model is imported, scale it to the desired size by dragging the corner handles. Position it in the center or any location you prefer. Step 2. Add a starry background. Head to your browser and search Google for star background images. Select a suitable high-resolution image. And save it to your computer. Back in PowerPoint, import the starry background image. Resize the image to fit your slide dimensions. For mine, I used 19.67 centimeters, height, by 34.08 centimeters, width. Step 3. Extend the background. To give the background depth and movement, stack multiple copies of the starry background side by side. Once the images are stacked, select all of them. Right-click, and choose Group to combine them into one object. Position the grouped background so it covers the entire slide. And send it to backward. It'll just adjust the Earth and star images, so that it could replicate in preview video. Remember to look on the left panel of the Earth, is visible. Step 4. Adjust and duplicate slides. Duplicate the slide, Ctrl+D or CMD+D. On the second slide, move the grouped starry background slightly upward and to the right. Keep the Earth in its original spot without adjusting or rotating it. It'll just adjust the Earth and star images. Rotate the Earth and adjust the position on the second slide. You can rotate it by clicking and dragging the center. Step 5. Apply Morph Transition. Go to the Transitions tab and select Morph for the second slide. Note, Morph is available only in PowerPoint 2019 and later. Preview the transition by clicking Slideshow at the bottom of the screen. Ensure the Earth moves fluidly and the background complements it. Adjust the duration of transition for more smooth animation. I'll just adjust the Earth on slide 2, and move it downward a little so it replicates the preview video I showed earlier. You can adjust it based on your preferences. Step 6. Add animated text. Insert your text using Insert Text Box and place it strategically on the first slide. Send the text backward if needed. Home, arrange, send backwards so it blends with the scene. To replicate the preview video, I delete the second slide and duplicate the first slide. If make the Earth lower on second slide, and adjust the text. Duplicate the design text onto the first slide. And send it to backward. But adjust the position. On the first slide, place the text lower, so it's hidden off the earth. On the second slide, position the text where it's fully visible. Go to the Transitions tab and select Morph for the second slide. Step 7. Fine-tune and adjust timing. Adjust the slide timing to 4-5 seconds for a balanced and professional effect. Test your presentation in slideshow mode to ensure everything flows perfectly. And there you have it, a dynamic 3D layers of the Earth presentation in PowerPoint. Feel free to experiment with additional adjustments to make it your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.